TrialScope's been exclusively focused on disclosure and transparency for coming on 11 years now. We work with industry sponsors that represent collectively 40% of all clinical trials run by industry, both in the United States and in Europe. And through that, we've really been able to distill the best practices, both from large organizations that we work with, but also from much smaller companies. We have organizations that have 20 trials on clinicaltrials.gov and organizations that have 5,000 trials on clinicaltrials.gov, as an example. So we understand both ends of the spectrum.
When it comes to choosing TrialScope, it comes down to three factors. First one is regulatory expertise. What's going on in clinical trial disclosure and transparency, understanding what the regulations are, and then having a strategy to implement those regulations. Then there's software. So the software solution has that regulatory expertise built into it, and that gives you the efficiencies to really get the command and control around your disclosure process. And then the third part is having additional services, really having a true partner in this with you.
We've built our reputation on software, so we have that foundation of software to track and manage your clinical trial data. But on top of that, we're complementing it with services. So when you have a backlog of studies or you need additional help, we're now able to support services on top of the software.
When you start working with us, you will see immediate value. We don't have to go through a long implementation cycle of a software. We don't have to spend a lot of time working the kinks out of services. It's all ready to go.
TrialScope can have you up and running fast, so we're ready to go when you are.